Hello guys, so we are on day 5. The question is arrow functions. Okay, so this question basically introduces the arrow functions in JavaScript. So here they are giving the size of array and these are the elements of array. And here what we have to do, mm, multiply by 2 to every even element. Okay, so even element को हमें 2 से multiply करना है and for odd elements we have to multiply by 3. Okay, so here we will see the function what they have written in main. Yeah, they are taking the numbers through read line and they are passing to this functions modify array. Okay, so basically this nums is the array that is coming to our function. So now basically जैसे हम करते हैं functions में वैसा करते हैं first of all, then we will go to the arrow functions like map. We will use map lastly. So first of all I will take this in fastly. Okay, so I will create one array, empty array. Now I want to iterate that nums. Okay, for const e of nums. Now i I will check every element. Okay, so if e modulo 2 is equal to 0 means if number is even, that then we are going to push res dot push. We are going to push an element in array. Which element? E star 2, because we want to multiply by 2. And else we will write else, and here we will write res dot push, and here if our element is negative then we are going to do 3 e star 3. Okay, and lastly we will return result array. Okay, so we will run this code and definitely it will run. Then we will go to the map function. Okay, so ये सब कोड अपन एक ही लाइन में कर सकते हैं using map function. Okay, so we will see that. Now I want to change the nums array. Okay, so अभी हमें nums का array change करना है, modify करना है. So what I will do, return nums डॉट मैप. nums के ऊपर हमें एक फंक्शन अप्लाई करना है जिसमें हमें क्या करना है, पहले चेक करना है. ओके, सो हमारा एलिमेंट इटरेट करना है nums में का. सो वी आर इटरेटिंग every element by I. Okay, so if the first element comes then it will come into I, then we have to write the function in front of this I using this arrow. Okay, so here if our I modulo 2 is equal to 0, if our I is even, then we will do the things using ternary operator. Okay, conditional operator जैसे C++ में होता है. Okay, so if this is true, then what we have to do, we have to multiply I star 2. Otherwise we are going to modify that to I star 3 because we want to multiply that element to 3. Okay, so we will run this code now. I think it will, yeah, it is working. So that's the thing. So we will submit the code and there is another method. Okay, so this is the one method to find even and odd. So okay, sorry, there is another method. I have taken that photo. Yeah, if we apply this operator and operator with 1, then we will get this number 0 0 0 0. If it is false, then we will find the even number. If it is true, then we will find it odd number. Okay, so I will show you that one thing. Why bye. Okay, so here we will make another one change. This is third type. We are going to see if I and 1. Okay, so I and 1 कैसा होता है. Okay, so this is the element and we are operating this AND operator with 1. Okay, then we will get this number 0 0 0. If all are 0, then we will get false, and if this element is 1, okay, this 0th element is 1, then we will get here 1. So that's why here we will get even and odd using this also. But here we have to change I star 3 and I star 2. Okay, so that's the thing we have to do. So this is the another way where we can do the things. Okay, so thank you guys.